Okay, so this video is going to be a trade recap of all the trades I took this week. For the week of the 17th to the 22nd, I trade Asia session. Usually start trading at 8 p.m. I sometimes trade Sundays, sometimes I don't. This week I did not trade Sunday, so this will just be from Monday to Thursday night. I was able to get a TPT account funded this week. I'm just waiting to activate that right now to start trading next week. I was also trading with a student this week who just started trading this week. It was his first time ever even looking at the charts at all. He knew absolutely nothing. So I tried to teach him as much as I could, starting like Monday, and he's been trading with me all week, and he is right now just a few $100 away from being funded on a TPT account. The only reason he's not funded is because he missed a few of my entries, just because he's so new that he literally just couldn't click buy or sell fast enough. So yeah, let's get in this trade recap. I'll see you guys on the charts. Okay, so let's see here. This was Monday's trade. We hopped in for some sells, or no, buys. Ended up taking a L. First trade of the week, took a L. We had the gap created. We broke highs here and here. Um, Price came into our zone, wicked out, entered off break of candle, went for the 1 to 2, and as you can see, I got cooked. I think I was down like 300 at this point, or something like that. Maybe like 350. I ended up taking another trade on Nas. Let's get to that. Took sales on Nas, like obvious trade. Like this Nas was dumping on Monday. Holy. So I hopped in some sales once my setup presented itself. I was just waiting for a gap to be created and get some break of structure, which happened here and here. So gap gets created, wick out of my zone, enter off break of candle, go for the 1 to 2, smack, went break even on Monday, so I wasn't mad or I can't complain about that. So I was done on Monday, moving into Tuesday. Looks like I took a buy here on Nas. This is a nice trade. Gap created, broke highs here. Wick out of my zone, enter off break of candle, go for the 1 to 2, smack. I was probably positive like 400 or something on the account after that going into Wednesday. Let's see. So Wednesday looks like traded on gold. So yeah, let's see here. Took sales on Wednesday on MGC. We get our gap created, break lows here and here, pull back to our zone, wick out, enter off break of candle, stop loss TP for the 1 to 2, smack. Now let's go to Thursday. I think at this point I was up like 900 on the week going into Thursday. So yeah, let's see here. Thursday I was trading on the 1 minute. Let's see. So this was a nice trade. My student who I was talking about earlier, who just started trading this week, actually called this trade out. This trade was beautiful as well. We get the break of structure here, new high created. Then I'm just waiting for price to pull back into my zone, wick out, entry off break of candle, go for the 1 to 2, take profit, stop loss, bang. Here's the next trade on over here on gold as well. Student called this trade out as well. This was a good trade too. We get our gap created, break highs over here, wick out of my zone, entry off break. Oh, trying to grab my tool here. Wick out of my zone, entry off break of candle, stop loss TP 1 to 2, banged out as well. Now I think I took one more trade on Nas, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Took one more trade, so took 3 trades on Thursday. I think all on the 1 minute. So this was the last trade of the week because I'm done trading after Thursday night because I trade nights and there's obviously the market's closed on Friday nights. So we get our gap created, draw my zone, wait for price to wick out of my zone, entry off break of candle, TP stop loss 1 to 2, bang. So that concludes the week. I think I don't know, I forget. I think I only lost that one Monday trade. And when I ended up going break even that day, so I think I had like all green days and one break even day. Ended up passing my account. You can see that here. It's pending right now. It should get activated later tonight, if not early in the morning. But either way, it'll be activated on Monday for me to go ahead and start trading. I also have 2 other evals that I'm going to be working on next week. Overall, I was definitely happy with this week, obviously, because I passed an account. I got a payout. My last payout was on the 12th, so I'm definitely looking to get a payout next week, and hopefully I can get my student funded and paid next week. That would be insane. I know, I know for me it took a very long time to, even get funded, let alone start getting payouts. So if I can get him a payout off his, if I can even get him funded on his first ever eval, first week or two in the charts, I'll be happy with that. And then if I can get him a payout in his first week or two ever on the charts, that'd be crazy. So yeah, just gonna be working on that next week. If he does get funded and payouts and stuff, I'll definitely make a video about that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Like and subscribe as well. And thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one.